Are you looking for a simple way to buy crypto directly using your card or bank account? Today we're talking about the Ramp app and whether it's actually worth using or not. Ramp is a crypto on-ramp platform that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets using everyday payment methods. It's designed to make entering the crypto world quick and easy, especially for beginners. Talking about features, Ramp supports multiple payment options like debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. It also works with many crypto wallets and Web3 apps, which means you can buy crypto directly inside those platforms without any complicated steps. Transactions are usually fast, and the process is smooth. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. You don't get advanced trading tools here, but that's because Ramp focuses only on buying and selling crypto in the simplest way possible. Now let's quickly see how to use it. First, open a supported wallet or app that integrates Ramp, or access it directly if available. Then sign up and complete the verification process. After that, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, choose your payment method, and confirm the transaction. A quick disclaimer, Ramp may charge fees depending on your payment method and region. Also, crypto prices can be volatile, so always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now the big question, is it worth it? If you're a beginner who wants a quick and easy way to buy crypto without dealing with complex exchanges, then Ramp is a good option. However, if you're looking for advanced trading features or lower fees, you might prefer a full crypto exchange instead. Overall, Ramp is a simple and convenient platform for buying crypto, especially for users who want a smooth onboarding experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more app reviews. And let me know in the comments which app you want me to review next.